guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are a little bit cozy, and today we're just gonna do a simple, beautiful makeup look that if you want to feel cozy, you can still look absolutely glamorous in a very beautiful, natural way. And we're gonna see where it goes with this little sweater because we need it. It's like minus 25 degrees Celsius outside. It's insane. Excuse me, the snow here is insane and I am not here for it at all, but it's okay. So before we get into this little makeup, make sure to subscribe to my channel for a whole lot of content every single week on a beauty, lifestyle, reviews, and more, of course. So we're going to start. We're going to prime, do our things at the same time. I'm going to go with Auric Glow Lust. This is really nice, actually. It is super hydrating. It's going to give my skin like a glow because it needs it. It's kind of dry. Oh, I can feel like the scaling on my skin. It's just... And I'm trying to avoid like over exfoliating because I've done that in the past. I've made a mistake is like over exfoliating and it's like worsening everything. So now I'm kind of like giving my skin a break and just using one acid and not even every single day because, you know, we want to like get rid of all of these things. All about skincare first. This is from actually True Botanicals. It just came out. It is the Moisture Lock glossy balm, and it's really nice. Like, it hydrates so much. I can compare it to the Laneige lip balm, lip sleeping mask. It's literally so good. It's insane. I put this during the day now, and then the Laneige I put it at night, but this is as good as the other one. It's just I feel like this one is really nice for like during the day. And it kind of smells nice naturally. There's not like any scent or anything, so it's not like it's not going to be smelling under my nose all day long. And now we're going some eyebrows, and I don't want to do too much, you know, and I've been going into that color for a while now, and I feel like it's so much better than the color that I was doing before. The other color was a little bit too yellow. It would still fit me, but I prefer a more cool tone for my eyebrows just for the fact that my hair here and here is a little bit more on the yellow side, but my eyebrows are kind of darker and more cool tone, so I don't want to mix too many things at once. Okay, so I think the tracing of my eyebrows is done. Honestly, if I don't do like makeup in a few days, I don't know if it happens to you guys, but it feels like I just lost, like I lose everything. It's like I don't know how to do makeup anymore. It's just crazy. And then now I'm doing my eyebrows and they're not as pretty as I would want them to be. And it's another thing that I thought about just now is I had microblading done for a long time and now it's kind of fading. So the microblading is kind of done. So now it's harder to do my eyebrows because I don't have like this line already made for my eyebrows. Anyways, I have to like work with the shape. Sometimes I remove an extra hair and I'm like, oh my God, and like all of these things because I do my own eyebrows. So sometimes they're going to look a bit different. We're going to see. And today, I feel like I want to do something simple. Like I told you guys, it's like very comfortable glam. So I'm going to go straight up for the eye primer. And I'm just going to put like one eyeshadow and then go for the face. I don't feel like doing much today, but I feel like being glamorous a bit. Taking the paint pot in Painterly. And I'm taking something different also. I'm taking the 195 from MAC. This is like a flat brush. I've been using usually a brush that was like packed, but I don't know. We're doing things differently today. Doing some different type of things. And I'm doing this before I put my eyebrow gel. I don't know why. Maybe I should put my eyebrow gel first. Just so I'm more careful on how I put the eyebrow gel maybe. And I noticed in my last makeup tutorial, I was so annoyed at the editing because I was like this and I was holding my eyeshadow palette to do my eyes. And then what was happening is that since it's black, then the camera was focusing on the mirror, on the eyeshadow palette. So like it wasn't focusing on my eyes and it was really bothering me. So now from now on, I'm always going to have my white mirror with the light just because I don't want this to happen ever again. I have my eyeshadow right here. I don't even know. I think I'm going to do like a monochromatic type of look. I'm not even going to take an eyeshadow for this one. I'm going to go with my palette with some eyeshadows in it. And I will take this color right here, which is a blush from MAC Cosmetics in the shade Taupe. And I feel like it's going to be really nice to contour the eye. And I think I'm going to go with that one after that, like the beige one, Best of Me, so I can just highlight some areas, make sure that nothing is kind of weird and like purple on my eyelids. So I just need a paintbrush. I need a brush right now. And just contour, Putting a little bit on my eyelids. There's still a little bit of pink on that brush, so I feel like it's going to be a mix of like pink and taupe eyeshadow. And then taking the shade Best of Me and then applying it kind of everywhere with this same brush. Because why not? It's just going to be really pretty. And then obviously I'm going to put some highlight everything later on. But this is just to have a little bit of depth. I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm not putting it like over the top eyeshadow. This is a quick little eyeshadow look that you can do on a day-to-day basis just to have like a little enhancement. It's like very subtle contour for that natural, beautiful look. And then I decided to add the white shade like where the eyebrow is, but just dust it over. And it's gonna highlight in a matte type of manner, which is so pretty. I kind of look crazy right now, so I'm just gonna go straight for the foundation because my eyes are like weird. There's no eyeshadow. There's not really any eyeshadow, but there's no lashes. So it's like something's missing, right? So before I do that though, I want to put a little bit of the Merit eyebrow styler in this beautiful gold packaging. So here. I put the tiniest amount. It's just to really coat the hair and to place them a little bit better so they don't move while I'm doing the rest of my face. And for today's glam, so what do I want? I was thinking about the Luminous Silk Perfect Glow Flawless Foundation because it's just such a beautiful formulation. The only thing that annoys me so much is that I feel like I bought it, right? I thought it was going to be a great color for me, but then when I apply it on my skin, it feels like it's pink. Like it's neutral, but it feels pink. I don't know. Tell me what you think when I'm applying the foundation. Feels kind of pink. It's okay. I feel like I'm going to put a powder foundation right after on top of that, so it's just going to look, you know, really pretty, so I don't have to like pack on the foundation. I just want it to look absolutely flawless, even though you can see everything coming through. But I just love it so much. Oh my god, it's so annoying when it does that. Then I'm applying the 24-hour Smooth Wear Concealer kind of everywhere to hide and highlight what I like on my skin. Okay, tell me down below if you have long nails. Most of the time, like now, their nails are not that long, okay? Because I had new manicure and it's so cute. Anyways, so what happens when I do my makeup and I take the sponge is that sometimes, like I have makeup on right now on my nail, but I poke my foundation to have a line, like a nail stuck in my foundation. I have to blend again. I don't know if it happens to you guys, but this is the most annoying thing. Even if I'm careful, there's always like a random piece of nail that is in my foundation. It's just like, it doesn't want to go away. It's like haunting me. So the moment of truth, we want to add some cream products. And I have two blushes from Merit Beauty, and I feel like they're so beautiful. I had this one a while ago, but Merit, they sent me new things. So I'm so grateful. Thank you so much to Merit for sending me like a refresh of things. This one, the pink one, I already had. They sent that one to me as well, but I had it for a while. And then I could choose another color, and I decided to take orange. I wanted to go like very adventurous and stuff. So maybe I can use it with like blushes and like, you know, mix it, use it as a bronzer. Since it's a little bit more warm and more orangey tones, since I've been loving orange tones so much, like, I don't know, but it's just my vibe right now. I am loving it. So I was feeling it orangey today. I think I'm gonna put it on my hand because I did try it on, sorry, it's itchy, always at the same spot. I tried it directly on my foundation and the foundation just ended up all over this and it was really hard to clean. So I'm just gonna go straight on my hand and it's really orange, but that color is just so beautiful. Look at this color though. This is in the color Terracotta and it looks so beautiful. Oh my god. It's so yummy. It's such a yummy color. I would wear that color on a day-to-day basis. Like my nails need to be that color. I need to bring this blush, bring it to the nail salon, and they need to use that color on my nails. Like that's how much I like it. It like with green, forest green type of thing. This is just really pretty. And I'm going to take this and then we're going in. And it's going to be a very, especially with the sponge, you know, it's going to be a very natural kind of like bronzy color. Especially if my foundation is a little bit too pink, it mixes with the orange and it's not that warm anymore. So I feel like this is the perfect color on the go with like a more kind of pink tone, neutral, you know, type of stuff. All right, so I put a little bit. I don't know what it looks like. Let me check. It looks really good. I really like the color. Tell me down below what you think about this terracotta color on my skin tone. I know that a lot of people are going to use this, you know, blush when they're more of like a medium to deeper skin tone. But this color is just so pretty. I had to try it as a bronzer and oh my God, this is just insane. And now I'm going to add a little bit of this color, which this one is more like on the purplish side compared to it. Like, look at this color. This is the blush that I had already. It is called Cheeky, and I'm going to mix it with the other one. And it doesn't look dirty because I tried it before, and we love a good mix and match of colors. So I'm just going to go straight on my cheeks. Like I'm dabbing it on. I'm going to clean it after, like this. And then I just go straight on it. I feel like a literal doll. It's so pretty. Okay, so this would be like my day-to-day makeup, cute, nice, but we want a little bit more full coverage, and this is kind of like the base of what we're gonna have under, and it's gonna help with the color on the skin, but it looks really nice. Ooh. So I have this. I hope that I'm not gonna become a whole other color because this foundation tends to change color real quick. And I'm just gonna dab a little bit of that. It's gonna add some coverage. This is the Studio Fix powder foundation. Do I look weird? Do I look another color? Okay, not too bad. I'm like, oh, hopefully not. Even with the cream under, it's like very subtle, kind of like, ooh, it's cold. I'm coming from outside. It's like 5 degrees outside, and then you're like, oh my God, I have a little bit of red, but now it's minus 25, so I would need to have literally my whole face red, but I'm not gonna do that because it's not cute. So yeah. All right, so this is cute. Then I'm gonna set with our blushes that we have in here. So I'm gonna use these two colors. This one because it's kind of like more taupey, and then this one because it's more like on the warmer side. And then I'm just tapping very, very lightly. And then for the blush, we need some highlight. So the highlight that I'm gonna put first for the base is the Merit Beauty. This is the cream highlighter. It's a balm, actually. It's a balm. It is very much of a balm. Like, I can't apply this directly on the skin. It's gonna move everything. So I'm just putting it on my fingers, and then I'm gonna tap it lightly where I want. So then there's a sticky base for the powder highlighter that we're gonna put on top, and this is gonna just make everything pop so much. Anyways, this balm is supposed to be applied with your fingers. So as you can see, like, it's adding a little bit of shine here without moving the powders or anything. So that's cute. That's cute. I like. Ooh, I'm missing some room. I need to put this side of my on my hand. Honestly, I've been looking at my skin right now, like right at this moment, and I feel like the terracotta shade is definitely a win. I needed this orange shade in my life. Like, usually you look at orange and it's very scary. And I always say that orange can be scary put on your skin. But honestly, it's such an amazing color. Look at how it just blended with everything. It just looks really great. And you can mix it with so many other things. And then for the powder highlighter, I have my fave, which I didn't do a review yet on. But I'm going to tell you guys a review when it's coming out. For the next thing, I think my eyes, they look pretty okay that way. I'm just gonna add a little bit of highlighter because I feel kind of naked on this area. Like, I have a lot of glowy skin, a lot of beautiful skin to just look like a glamorous, comforting babe. Very, very natural. And then I feel like I need more setting under my eyes because my under eyes, they like to crack from genetics. So I'm gonna take this blood powder and just apply it because it's more like a white type of powder, and it's gonna like brighten the under eyes. As you can see, like, it's brightening a little bit. So, and now it is the moment of truth because I actually don't know which color I'm gonna put on my lips. I am so, oh God. And I wanted to stay within the Merit Beauty kind of stuff because I really like their products. And they just sent me also 2 other colors because I've been having the pink color. I've been wearing it, you know, like if I want to look cute one day. It's very hydrating. It's a lip oil. So it just, and there's color on it. So it's like, oh, a little something. So this one, I've been wearing it. So I'm not going to wear this one. But I have these 2 beautiful color. And I feel like this one is like the terracotta type of color, and then we have this taupe color, which and I'm so indecisive in which color I want to wear because I saw taupe. It's been around for a while now. It came out a while ago, but this color in particular, Alana Davidson was wearing it and it looks absolutely stunning on her. It was like literally her favorite color, so I was like, maybe I should try this one. And the other day I tried the orange one and it's so pretty. Oh my god, like I love this color so much, but I feel like I have to try this one, and if I don't like it, we'll just change it. So I think we're gonna go with that one. Take 2. Okay, so I just removed my other lip liner and because it was really ugly, and now we can use what is left over as if like I took it to contour my lips. So let's just leave it at that. It happens, guys. It happens. It's just this was really too ugly for me to even fathom to leave it on my lips. It wasn't working. All right, so this is the lip liner in Whirl. It looks really similar to my lips, okay? And that's the reason why I chose it now, because I don't want to have like darker around my lips. I just want the same color, because you're going to see what it's going to do with that taupe color after I applied it. I thought it was going to be much more kind of brownish than that, but it's more clear than I thought, even if it looks kind of brown. So look at that. It's like the perfect hint of taupe to change the color of your lip from a very pink to a neutral pink. Like, it's darkening the lips with a little bit of brown. It's such a pretty combination. I am loving this color. No wonder people love this color. I've heard so many comments about this color, taupe. Look at that, though. It's just really pretty. Anyways, we need to do something with the eyes because this is insane. All right, I took my bag, okay, which had all of Merit in it. So that's why I'm just using Merit all the way today. And, you know, I just love their products. This is my pouch that I bring on a day-to-day basis. Honestly, if I go somewhere, this is the products that I'm going to have because they're so easy. And I can do it in the car, no problem. So it's just a whole other world of things. And then for the final touch, of course, before we end this beautiful makeup look, because we're keeping it very simple today, I would put some lashes, but because I bought some new lashes, I'm going to do another video with this. So it's probably going to be up already. So if you want to go check it out, it's going to be listed down below, but and at the end of the video. But now we're going to just spray. I just sprayed the goodness. Oh my god. My camera stopped recording, so that's why you weren't able to see anything. Honestly, if I have only small lashes, small skin, I need to have a beautiful lip, and that's my vibe. It's always my vibe. Always my vibe. So I really hope that you enjoyed this little makeup, this little get ready with me. Just, you know, simple, cozy makeup. We still need to be glamorous, girls, even though we are cozy and beautiful. You just add a little bit of jewelry, a little bit of perfume, and then you're good to go. So anyways, I hope that you like this beautiful, tiny makeup look. And if you liked it, make sure to like the video, comment down below, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel for a whole lot of content every single week on beauty, lifestyle, and more. So I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye, guys!